Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in and tell you that tomorrow's video is going to be perfectly on time, and today's video is also going to be perfectly on time. It's just going to be a lot shorter and a lot less prettied up than usual. What I'm going to be talking about tomorrow is going to be based off of some things in personal finance that are my personal beliefs. I think they're things that in personal finance most people are just kind of scared to talk about, don't want to talk about, and really want to shy away from. I would like to introduce those as more in-depth, in-detailed topics that can be expressed in a different way and expressed in a more interesting and educational way. A way where I can say my opinion and other people can have their own personal opinion about my opinions, and we can discuss them, and overall both of us in good conversation, in good communication, in the YouTube comments can have a really good way, a really good refinement of what we think about personal finance. The deal with it is that I could read 20 personal finance books. I've already probably read 7 or 8 personal finance books that were just amazing and really great content, really informational, and I would like to be able to share that information, but I want to start with the compilation of what I have as my own personal interest in personal finance. So let's start with that and just say here's what I think and believe about what personal finance should be to a 20-year-old or somebody in their 20s. Me being 26, here are the things that I'm focusing on in my personal finance, my personal finances that I think are important, and here's where I am right now. It's partially a snapshot about where I am with my thought process about personal finance, and also a snapshot about what I think other people should be more focused on based off of what I see in our generation or our culture or my kind of section of the decade, the 90's decade group who are now turning into their 30s. So it's just kind of, here's what I think we should be thinking about, here's what I think we should be focusing on, and that's kind of what I want to base the next few videos off of in the coming days. So expect those over the next few days. Those are likely going to be what comes close to closing out this month-long challenge that I've been working on. I hope you've been enjoying this challenge. I've seen a number of views that have come in just because of the challenge, and I'm really appreciative of those views. I want to be able to deliver content on this level and in a much more refined format very soon, but I think it has given me a great perspective over what I think is going to be interesting going forward, kind of what I should be doing or focusing on whenever I'm trying to make better quality videos, and it's really given me that confidence that I need to be able to stand in front of a group of people and tell them here's what I think, and that's just it, okay? That's what I think, that's what I believe, that's what you're going to expect from me. But it's also given me a little bit of perspective to see people disagree with me and have different opinions than me. And like I say in the very first video, it's a learning process and we're learning together. So I appreciate you guys learning with me. I really hope that I learned something from you guys as well as you guys learned something from me. And if you have questions, if you have interest, hit me up. Feel free to go in the comments. Feel free to go straight to direct message. I don't mind. I love it. It's going to be a fantastic experience. I'm very easy to talk to most days. Today's Tuesday, so most days. Today's a good day. And please feel free to get in touch with me. This video, like I said, is going to be a one-shot, one-cut, no edits. I'll toss in a thumbnail because I like to be fancy. But we're just going to roll with it for today, so I can do a little bit better on this video and refine it to the level that I'd like to when I'm not quite as tired as I am right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this short, I'd say break from the norm, but it's not really a break. It's been kind of like this the entire time. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm still enjoying the process, even though it's a lot. So thank you for hanging with me, and if you like this video, feel free to like this video. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, criticisms, I love getting feedback in the comments down below. Leave me a comment, even if it's just to say, hey, what's up? I hate you. Okay, probably shouldn't leave that one. Just say like a dislike for this particular reason, and that would be much more conducive to a real conversation. Anyway, rambling. Subscribe, hit the notifications, 7:45 every morning, just for you guys. I love you faces. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.